Hello friends, today we are going to learn the measures of central tendency, that is the third unit of your statistic. In that we have already learned what is mean. Now today we are going to learn the various types of mean. Basically there are four types of mean. The very first is arithmetic mean, which we call it as mean only. Second is combined mean, third is weighted mean, and the fourth is geometric mean. Today we are going to learn the various types of mean. We will see the definitions as well as the formulas, as well as we will solve the sums related. Find the mean by combining all those groups. Such a type of mean is said to be a combined mean. When there are two or more groups and we have to find the mean of all those groups, then such a type of mean is said to be a combined mean, and it is denoted as x bar c. You can see they have written it is denoted as x bar c. Now what is the formula to find combined mean? The formula to find combined mean is, here you can see the formula, n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 till nk x bar k. K means how many numbers do you have. For example, you have 5 numbers, so n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. Till 5 you have to go. If you have 3 numbers, 3 groups, then you have to go till 3 groups. That is n1 x bar 1, n2 x bar 2, n3 x bar 3. That's it. So here they have written n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 and so on upon n1 plus n2 and so on. n1 means numbers in the group 1 and x bar 1 is the mean of the group 1. n2 is the number in the group 2 and x bar 2 is mean of the group 2 upon n1 plus n2. This is the formula to find combined mean. Now let us have a look on the sum. Here one sum is there. A factory owner knows that the mean monthly production from January to March. You can count January 1, Feb 2, March 3. So total how many months are there? 3. So here n1 equals to 3. You can see n1 is taken 3. And the mean of January to March is 350. That means x bar 1 is 350. From April to August is 254. Now you can count from April, that is April, May, June, July and August. Total how many months? 5 months. So here n2 equals to 5 they have taken. So n2 is 5. Now from September to December, okay, before that April to August their mean is 254. That means x bar 2 is 254. Now from September to December, that means we have to count September, October, November and December. So total how many months? 4 months. So we have taken 4 months as n3. And the mean of September to December is 315. So we have taken x bar c as 315. Now we will find the combined mean. Combined mean x bar c equals to, here we have 3 groups. So n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 plus n3 x bar 3 upon n1 plus n2 and n3. Now what is your n1? n1 is 3. What is x bar 1? x bar 1 is 350. That means we will multiply n1 x bar 1 as 3 into 350. You can see here they have taken 3 into 350. Now second, n2 is 5. So 5 into x bar 2 is 254. So they have taken 254 into 5. You can see here 5 into 254 they have taken. 5 into 254. Now third is 4 into 315. So third one they have taken 4 into 315 like this. Okay. Now we will divide n1 plus n2 plus n3. So n1 is 3. N1 is 3. N2 is 5 and N3 is 4. So they have taken 3 plus 5 plus 4. Now we will multiply and then divide. We have already multiplied. 3 into 350 is 1050. We have taken 1050. Then plus 1270 plus 1260 divided by 12. So your answer will be 3580 divided by 12. You can see like this, 3580 divided by 12. Now if we divide by 12, we will get 298.4 times 3. So approximately it's 298.33. So the monthly mean production of the factory over the year combinedly is 298.33. So your answer is, final answer is 298.33. Now this was the sum of combined mean. Now we are going to solve what is weighted mean. First of all we will see the meaning and then we will see one sum of the weighted mean. Weighted mean. Weighted means a special mean is called weighted mean when the observations are given and if the importance is given of the observation. Here the importance is given of each and every values of the observation. The weighted mean is said to be x bar w. We can denote as the weighted mean as x bar w. We will assign the weights to the various observation according to their importance. After that we will find the weighted mean. For example, for first observation we will assign weight 1. For second observation we will assign weight 2. So according to the importance we will assign the weight to the various observations. So that is known as weighted mean. And the formula of x bar w, that is weighted mean, is w1 x bar 1 x1 plus w2 x2. x2 means observation. x1 is also observation and multiply by their weights till wn xn upon w1 plus w2 and so on. You can also use sigma wx upon sigma w. You can also use this formula or you can use this. Any one formula you can use and solve the sum. Here what does w means? W is the weight and sigma w is sum of all the weights. Now we will see the sum based on this theory. A student get 35 marks in the theory paper, 15 marks in the practical examination and 5 marks in the oral examination. The school has given weights 4, 2, 1. They have provided us the weight 4, 2 and 1. Now observation 1 is in the sum whatever the first observation is given, that is 35 marks, that is my x1. Second observation is 15. So that is my x2. And the third observation is 5 marks, that is 5. So x1 is 35, x2 is 15 and x3 is 5. Now the weights are assigned 4, 2 and 1. So W1 is 4, W2 is 2 and W3 is 1. Now we will solve the sum based on this question. Our formula is x bar W equals to W1 x bar 1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus W3 x3 upon W1, W2 and W3. Here W1 first weight is 4 into x1 is 35. So first we will write 4 into 35. So it is written over here 4 into 35. Now next is W2, that is 2 into 15. So you can write 2 into 15 like this. Now third is 1 into 5. 1 into 5. So you can write 1 into 5 like this. Upon W1, W1 is 4, W2 2 and W3 1. So we have written 4 plus 2 plus 1. Now we will multiply and total it all. So we will get 175 by 7. If we divide it, we will get 25. So the weighted mean of all this student is 25. So in this way, you have to solve the sum of weighted mean. Now we will see the last type of mean, that is geometric mean. The geometric mean is defined as the nth root. Here we have to do the root sign. So nth root of the product of n positive observations. So we have to multiply all the observations, that is x1 into x2 into x3 and so on. Okay, and we have to keep this in the root. So it is denoted by G, as it is geometric mean, so it is denoted by G. So G equals to n. N means whatever the numbers are given. So n under root x1, here you can see x1 into x2 into x3 or so on till xn. We have taken one example also. If there are two numbers 150 and 125, then the geometric mean will be 120 into 150 into 125 under root. So if we multiply and then we will press the root button, we will get the answer 136.93. In this way, we have to solve the sum of the geometric mean. Let us see one more example. Here, the population in the area increases by 15%, 18%, 13% and 20% respectively. What do you mean by increases by? If there is an increased number, then you have to increases from 100 to 15%. So 100 plus 15, that is 115. Then 18% increase, 100 plus 18. Then 13% increase, 100 plus 13. Then 20% increase, 100 plus 20. In the same way, if the word decrease has been given in your sum, then you have to decrease by 15%, that is 100 minus 15, 100 minus 18, 100 minus 13 and 100 minus 20. But here increased is been given, so we will increase from 100. We will not take directly 15, 18, 13 and 20. We will add with the 100 and then we will take the observation. Because in geometric mean the formula is x1, x2 and x3. So we cannot take the percentage. Respectively for 4 years is given. So as we have seen, they have taken 100 plus 15, that is 115, 100 plus 18, that is 118, 100 plus 13, that is 113, and 100 plus 20, that is 120. Now we will see the geometric mean. There are 4 numbers, so 4 under root x1, x2, x3, x4. We will multiply 115 into 118, 115 into 118 into 113 and into 120. So we will multiply this all. We will get the answer this much, 184009200. We will write this and we will press the root button twice because it is fourth root. So we will press the root button twice. So if we will press the root button once, we will get the answer this. Then we will have to press the root button again and we will get the answer 116.47, and that is the final answer. Now what they have asked the average rate increases. See, here they have asked the average rate increases in the population. So how much increase? So we will see 116.47 is increase from 100. So if we'll minus 116.47 by 100, we will get answer 16.147 percentage. So they have asked the average rate increase. So your final answer will be 16.47. So if there are fourth root, we have to take the square root twice, and if there are 8 root, we will take the square root 3 times. Here you can see, if there are 8th root, then we will take the square root 3 times. If square root is there once, we will press the square root button. If there are 4th root, we will take the square root 2 times, and if there are 8th root, we will take the square root 3 times. In this way, we will solve the sum of the geometric progression. So students, today we have seen the various types of mean, their meaning, as well as their sums based on the types of mean. I hope you have enjoyed, you have solved this sum, and based on that, solve the exercise of your textbook. Thank you.